Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. In this video, we are going to see Faraday's second experiment on electromagnetic induction. After done the first experiment, Faraday tried another way to induce a current in the coil. For that, Faraday took the circuit consisting of a coil, a battery, and a key is called as primary circuit. When Faraday closed the primary circuit, current starts flowing in the primary coil. So it flows from positive terminal to negative terminal like this. So that the left of the solenoid is known as south pole and the right of the solenoid is known as north pole. So Faraday considered this as the temporary bar magnet. So he wanted to do the first experiment using this primary coil. Then he took another circuit called secondary circuit, which consists of coil and galvanometer. Then he moved the secondary circuit towards a primary circuit. Galvanometer shown a momentary right side deflection. What does it mean? It means current is induced in the secondary coil. So in this way, he found another method to induce a current in the coil. When Faraday moved the secondary circuit away from the primary circuit, this time also galvanometer shown a momentary deflection, but this time it shown a deflection towards left side, that is opposite to the previous one. What does it mean? Again it means current is induced in the secondary coil. In this way, he found another method to induce a current in the coil.